68 years old. Yeah, yes.
Feeling stuck, drained, ready to change it? You're not imagining things, you're in the sedentary death spiral. One skipped workout, another lazy afternoon, and suddenly the energy's gone. The motivation? Zapped. Have you ever wondered why it feels so hard to bounce back after just a few days off? Here's the deal: muscles weaken, energy drops, and just like that, you're spiraling down faster than you think. But you don't have to stay there. What if you could find the energy to crush your goals again, starting now? How you fuel your body changes everything. You get energy to move, motivation skyrockets, goals crushed. Would you agree that the right fuel gives you energy and that subpar supplements might be holding you back? Cheap, flashy products, they're robbing you of progress. If you keep relying on the wrong products, how much further will it push you into the spiral? You deserve better. Now's your chance to break out. But how do you choose the right supplements? Our free guide, 7 Easy Steps to Finding the Right Dietary Supplements, is included here. It's a simple, step by step roadmap to selecting supplements for your health goals. Look for the QR code and scan it now, or put website URL in your browser anytime to access the guide instantly. Don't waste time on ineffective products or flashy marketing claims. Instead, make informed, confident choices for a healthier, stronger you. Take the supplements that rebuild and recharge. Take back your energy and motivation today. What would it feel like to know you've made the right choice for your body? Scan QR code to get your free guide. Let's crush the spiral together.
All right, men 60 plus. Our only athlete over 60 years old this weekend. From CrossFit West Oahu, Rick Mikami. All right, there you go. These are your age group athletes. 2023.